Kids bring joy, but they also bring messes. On Child Health Day, we're reminded how important a clean, safe home is for our families. But most cleaners are full of harsh chemicals we don't want around children, toys, or food areas. That's why we created SolutionsHOCl General Purpose Cleaner. Made with nature's own deep cleaning power, it's gentle and eco-friendly. HOCl neutralizes slimy film, algae odor and stains at the source through natural oxidation technology. Made with HOCl, the world's best cleaning agent. Google HOCl versus Bleach to confirm these facts. Safe around kids, gentle on surfaces, tough on messes. Celebrate Child Health Day with a cleaner, safer home. Use code CHILD13 and get 13% discount. Learn more. Visit SolutionsHOCl.com.